And let's begin with images coming in of Kejriwal's roadshow in Delhi. The reason this one grabs headlines is because Akhilesh Yadav has joined Kejriwal for this roadshow at a time when you've got the Congress and AAP not fighting it out together in this election. Largely, the India bloc seems to be siding with the Aam Aadmi Party, with Kejriwal, and Akhilesh clearly choosing AAP over Congress. An interesting moment from that roadshow that you see on your screens is that you had Arvind Kejriwal attacking Congress with Akhilesh right next to him. Listen in to what Kejriwal said. He's fired an Ilu attack, which is essentially saying that Congress and BJP love each other.
ये इस बार कांग्रेस और बीजेपी में इलू हो रहा है। आई लव यू बच के रहना, बड़ा खतरनाक है। कांग्रेस को वोट मत दे देना, नहीं तो कांग्रेस को वोट देने का मतलब है बीजेपी को जिताना।
Okay, let's bring in Amit Bharadwaj on this broadcast for more details. Amit, the image is poignant, of course, because you've got Akhilesh Yadav standing next to Arvind Kejriwal while Kejriwal is attacking Congress. And Akhilesh at no point did that. He didn't attack the Congress during his speech. But Arvind Kejriwal clearly knows the significance of that messaging, that you have the India bloc ally standing with him when he's attacking the Congress.
Well, Akshata, the message from this joint rally roadshow is pretty clear, that India bloc allies such as Samajwadi Party are not only standing rock solid with Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi election, but Akhilesh Yadav has made it clear, if you have to vote in Delhi, who to vote for. It's Arvind Kejriwal and his party. Right there you can see Akhilesh Yadav and Arvind Kejriwal holding joint rally together in Kiradi. This is in the outskirts of the national capital, where the demography changes, where it seems to be a completely different Delhi. The Delhi that we visualize normally, it's completely different from those landscapes. And you have a big number of Purvanchali voters from UP, Bihar, who form the majority vote bank in Kiradi Vidhan Sabha. And that is why this assembly segment was chosen for this first joint rally of Akhilesh Yadav and Arvind Kejriwal. And you can see not only Akhilesh Yadav continuously waving at supporters and sympathizers, but even in the crowd which is marching along with the carcade of Arvind Kejriwal and Akhilesh Yadav, you will see Samajwadi Party workers as well as SP flags. So two clear messages, Akshita, from this particular joint rally. Number one, that the strength in Delhi lies with Arvind Kejriwal and his party, Aam Aadmi Party. Number two, that whosoever do not want to vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party, who have been India bloc sympathizers or don't want to cast vote for the BJP for some other reason, they should not be voting for the Congress Party. That message
it's interesting to see that at this point, Arvind Kejriwal seems to be also focusing his attacks on the Congress and saying that a vote for the Congress is not about defeating BJP, but cutting the vote for the Aam Aadmi Party. And that's the biggest concern for AAP, that if Congress goes up, it could mean that their vote bank reduces, the number of votes they get reduces, because they play a vote cutter factor in a sense. Thanks, Amit, for those details.